So here I am with Chef Atul Lahkar, and he is going to take us on a market visit around this place.
This is actually a local market, and every Sunday it will be like, the people of local people, Garo people, mostly the Garus and the Borus and some of the missing guys, they are coming over here, and especially women. They are doing all the vegetables, kitchen herbs, vegetables, and the local ingredients. So usually I am coming here because of my restaurant and for my recipes. So it's a very nice thing. It's a very good market.
It's a weekly market.
It's a weekly market. No, it's every day, but Sunday is very special.
Sunday is special.
Today is Sunday, no?
Okay. What are these?
This one is tea, and mostly the Assamese cuisine depends. We use the herbs, We call it Dekia hag. It's a fern.
Okay.
It's a hag. Mostly this time in April, during the April, May, June, that we usually cook with these herbs, and mostly with the fish and the dry one, and all the things the fry also we call hag, Dekia hag bhaji.
Dekia hag. Oh, that's a silk. Oh, you're holding it in your hand.
No. This is silk.
It's live.
Yeah, it's a high protein. This has the high protein.
Okay.
This is fried and some are the smoked. Yeah.
Red and eggs.
Red and we call the Purua. Purua Koni. This is the month we use this one Purua and the red and and other things is that the Purua also this is particularly this season we use because of the season. All the Assamese cuisine is basically seasonal. During all the winter, rainy season, monsoon season we use because half in now this time is very good for any kind of half. This is also one of the most important ingredients from Northeast. Most of the Assamese, not the Assamese only, and all the Northeast people they are using aroma. This one, the Majenga leaves. We call Majenga leaves. There's an aroma with any kind of pork chutneys. You see the sea flavor?
Yeah. It's again lemony.
Lemon.
Yeah.
It's very nice. And usually with the pork, with the fish, and vegetables and the chutneys also. We adding all the this one Majenga leaves.
Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is the pavo.
Pavo.
Yes, and the roux. Commonly in the Assamese kitchen, you can count this one. Count this only roux fish. We love the roux fish.
Even I love roux. That is my favorite is roux. So now finally we have got fish, chicken,
everything I got, and from vegetable market we'll get all the house also. Now we go to our home and we cook nice Assamese delicacies.
So we'll have like real authentic Assamese food.
Assamese.
I'm so excited.
This is my home. Welcome to my home. Let's move to my kitchen.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, please do. Today I'm cooking very simple recipe. It's common delicacy of Northeast like Assam. Assamese people love fish, and mostly the fish cooking with vegetables, with the herbs, but today I'm cooking with bamboo shoots. Okay, the bamboo shoots is we love bamboo shoots, and everybody loves bamboo shoots. In Northeast, people think that bamboo shoot is a common ingredient. Yes, common ingredients, but the tribal people love bamboo shoots. That we have got two community. We can say one is hills community, which is the plains community. That's how much good. But bamboo khorisa, in Assamese we call khorisa.
Bamboo is called khorisa.
Khorisa. The bamboo shoot mean in Assamese we call khorisa. You call khorisa?
Khorisa.
Yeah, khorisa is right.
Perfect.
It's a nice pronunciation. Yeah. This is how we. This is a pabo fish. Okay.
Which we got from the fish market.
You got from the fish market, and just I do little bit of knife. Okay. I cut it like that. Now my heat pan garam hui gaya na. I heat all the pans and then I ate the mustard oil because we in Assamese people use mustard oil.
It's like it's mostly like in eastern like Bihar,
Bengali also
Bengal,
love to-
Odisha.
yes, yes.
They use mustard oil.
But in the apart from Assam, all the tribes of Northeast, they are not using mustard oil or any kind of oil. They boil. They prefer to boil. Even me also, in the Assamese people also, less oil, not like more. Then after heat the pan, then you add paspuran. But it's similar things is that this paspuran also before the people are Assamese not using paspuran. That's culture. This how this spice come from Bengal. Okay, but right now this recipe I would tell you. The recipe is ready. Then I hate the bamboo shoots.
Is it fermented?
No, yeah, this is fermented bamboo shoot. Okay, fine.
Chili.
Chili powder. Okay. Then आपको इसका बाद bamboo shoot का juice है ये.
Okay.
Then you add the juice. Then boil for few minutes. Continue boil for few minutes. In Assam, why we had differences from the rest of India, and we had a lot of community. The all community, some of the hills, some of the plains. Say like in example, the Boru we have, Rapa we have, Rajbangshi we have, Tiwa we have, all the missing community we have, and the Tayahum, Sunwal Kosari, Taipake, all the community give lot of beautiful recipe, adding all the technique of cooking, and we get lot of that variety of herbs, the variety of delicacies, the variety of culture. It helps us to make a unique cooking, recipes. So before knowing or doing something about the the Assamese cuisine, you have to know that all the lifestyle of Assamese or the tribal community of Assam. So today I am cooking what I am cooking. One recipe. This recipe belong to the tribal community, and some other Upper Assam. We had to do Upper Assam and Lower Assam. Say National Kosari also cook very nicely.
Yes, from Upper Assam.
Yes, from Assam also. Because the bamboos would prefer only the Mongolian peoples who are basically living. The Upper Assam and the some part of the Lower Assam. Usually the Kalitas, and they are not tribal, they are not fond of this, the Lower Assam basically they don't use bamboo shoots. And the Upper Assam, all community they use the bamboo, they love bamboo shoots, okay? Some are doing pickles, some are doing cooking, they are making chutneys also. That's what we call korisa. Then I ate fish. See the fish, I just ate it. And ate 4 pieces of fish. This is a rhyme we can use mezenga with any recipes. Say like pork or the fish. This is I cook bamboo shoots. So I ate little bit of like 2-3 numbers of mezenga. This is a mango mezenga leaves. The aroma you can see the aroma you can.
It's similar to like basil.
Basil, yes. We go for this one. After that, we'll cook another recipe. It's called the chicken with the broken rice.
It looks so good. I took just 20 minutes to cook it.
Yes, only 20 minutes. This recipe is very simple. In this mustard seed, we call laipatta.
Mustard leaves.
Mustard leaf, we call laipatta. Usually, these leaves cooking with pork and chicken, and we even like vegetable fry also. It's very nice. Even in Assamese cuisine, it's a chutney also very nice. Very simple with the salt and mustard oil. Today I'm cooking one chicken, local chicken with the country chicken with the laipatta, the mustard green leaves. With very simple adding with the onion, the garlic, ginger, green chili.
And bamboo shoot?
Bamboo shoot, not bamboo.
No, bamboo shoot.
Very simple recipe with the coriander leaves.
Jolokia.
Yeah, jolokia. And chop it. 8+8.
So it's mostly like green chilies are used in cooking or red chilies?
Yeah, green chili.
Green chili, not dried green chili.
No. It's green chili. Then I cover this one with the garlic.
Let's chop the garlic.
Yeah, this one done. From dal diya, ho gaya na?
This is like the basics of making the curry paste.
Yes.
Onion, ginger, garlic, chili.
Garlic.
So the country chicken takes more time to cook compared to the boiler chicken.
Yes. Then after that, I cover it for like 10 to 15 minutes.
10 15 minutes.
Very simple recipe. Then after that, I would go with this.
Greens.
Yeah, mustard green leaves.
So it's
Okay, I think almost 10 minutes is over.
yeah.
So I thought I just covered and now keep fine. Almost chicken is cooked, I think. Yeah, already cooked.
What's the local name of this green?
Lai hak.
Like hak.
इतना छोटा नहीं ऐसे करके बस cover it for another 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay. I remember lean. How? That's nice.
The smell is so nice.
Very nice. No? Oh yeah.
This is a dry preparation?
Yeah, dry preparation. You can add even water also. Curry, make it curry also. But today I'm preparing on dry. Okay. Now finally I ate. With the mustard green leaves, we call lai hak or logot kukura mangkho.
Kukura mangkho.
Kukura mangkho logot lai hak.
Kukura mangkho with like hak. That's what we have cooked.
Very good.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay. Okay, fine. This is your chicken with mustard green leaves, lai
Yeah.
hak or logot kukura mangkho.
Thank you, chef.
Okay, thank you. Dekia hakor bhaji. Dekia hakor pukan bhaji. Dekia hak. This is a fun. This is fun dekia. We call dekia. And fried with potato.
It sounds very rhythmic.
Rhythmic. The dekia hak fried with the potato. We call dekia hakor logot alu bhaji. Heat mustard oil. After heating oil, then we add the pasparan. Only the garlic.
That's it.
That's it. Only pasparan and garlic. And some are using the green chili also. You can eat green chili. If you love chili, then you go for the 2-3 numbers of chili. Okay. I cooked 3 recipes. There is no spice using. I never use any.
Yeah, I've seen it like we have used the same spices for all the 3 dishes.
Only salt, turmeric, black pepper, and this
Punch powder.
Yes, punch powder.
That's it.
This one. Okay.
So it's quite limited use of spices in northeastern cuisine. So now I think this is already cooked.
Yes, so hak bhaji is ready. You tell the hak bhaji is ready.
Hak bhaji.
Hak bhaji is
Hak
ready.
bhaji is ready.
See, it's a very simple thing.
Let me hot.
Yeah, no problem. You just have it.
Okay. It's crunchy.
Yes, crunchy.
Wow. So good.
And this is your hak bhaji.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you. Everything already you have. We are before the having lunch. You taste some of our rice beer. This is a variety, different variety. It's a filtered one. It's like you already had. I think you have idea about the whole tequila.
Yeah.
Like tequila from northeast.
Yeah, it smells like vodka.
Yes. Very strong and very nice one. If somebody come to Northeast, definitely you try this one.
Yeah, we tried Haas and then we tried Apong.
Apong, and this one is a filtered one like a tequila. Go with the lemon.
Okay.
This is nice.
That's right.
Nice.
Cheers.
Cheers. Very strong.
Yeah. Some salt.
Yeah. Yes. You like it?
It's like a-
very strong.
Very concentrated form of liquor.
Liquor, yes. It's like a tequila. Anybody come to Northeast, definitely they try this one. This is unique. You should still.
Yeah, there's something like in it's almost like the third day in Assam,
Yeah.
and we have tried different versions of rice beer, but this is the strongest one we had. Super strong.
Yeah.
It simply hits. It's like a burning sensation all over your body.
You need a lemon with this one. Yeah.
Ah, you need lime with it.
Yeah, yeah.
That's true.
But this one is a steam. The extract is a complete filtered drink. It's a hard one. It's like 70% of alcohol.
70%. So rice is a staple. People
love rice. Without rice, nothing.
Wow.
The lunch, dinner, everything with the rice.
This rice is so aromatic, so flavorful. Oh. It's like a small grain rice.
See the simplicity?
Yeah, it's so simple, like just a little bit of spices you have used it, but it's so flavorful. The flavor of ginger is amazing.
Yeah.
The food is amazing. I have more rice.
Yeah, you need rice. The brands of Assamese people, the style of cooking is little different. And the other rest of things in other tribes, they use boiled food and the less oil. But in the blends, Assamese people, they use little bit of oil, the mustard oil.
That too, mustard oil.
And a little of fry also. But the other community of Assam, they are nowadays is everything is changed because of globally effect on TVs and all. The food style, cooking style, little bit is changed.
I really love the flavors of everything. Whatever we have tried, the greens, the chicken and fish, and dal and rice also simply, it's so good. Thank you, chef. Thank you for having us.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to be my home guest.
Thank you.
I really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
One day, next time, when you visit to Assam, please do come to my place.
Thank you for having us. Thank you. The food was really good. I really had a great time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.